Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that notification access is a permission on Android device to access notification, unlist the notification content and delete notification. And apps with this permission can receive calls from the system when new notifications are posted or removed and manage them as well, such as reading, dismissing app notification. And generally speaking, third-party apps may not require this notification access permission. So now I'm gonna show you how to disable notification on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing, go to settings menu and then scroll down and then go to notification center. So here you can select any apps that you want to disable the notification, such as Google. There are many type of notification like badge, banner, unlock screen, play sound, and vibrate. You can turn off all of them or you can turn off one of them, and all notification of the app that you turn it off will not notify you anymore. Alright, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.